Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at Arpeggios. Sorry, this was just warm up, you know. So so we are going to be looking at Arpeggios today, and then how to how to put them in music, how the patterns are, and then also how to apply them in gospel play. Also, before we continue, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Subscribe, turn on your notification button to receive more updates. We're dropping series of videos, lessons, band camps, and all that. So we could engage. So let's get started. So we're working on A flat and arpeggios. I know that there are series of patterns of repeated notes, right? Or repeated how will I call them, note structures that we can use in our play in order to actually I think what we've been talking about for the past few weeks now are things that could actually spice up your play, things you can add up in your play. I know things you could just learn and then you can't put them in songs. No, these are things that you listen to them in songs and all that. And every every key has, or let me say every yes, let me say every key has a way you can structure the arpeggio pattern. You understand? So if you're on the key of what they call it, of A flat, you can structure your arpeggio pattern to be, you understand, you can still structure it to be, so you also can structure it like, just on the key of A flat. You understand? So there, I'm just going to be giving you a little tip on how to create your arpeggio run for any song you'll be playing. So one of the first things I think you should look at is, first, know the chord you are playing. You are on A flat. You know that A flat comprises of 1 3 5 1 3 5, right? You might have a touch of an add 9. You understand? You might have a touch of a 6, right? So depending on how it is, for me, I can just I love melodies a lot. Yeah, so I always want to structure them down to where my melody falls. So if I want my melody to fall here, I structure it to, you understand? So you have then I run it down. You understand? So I do that again. So let's say, okay, you are playing on A flat, and then you actually want to do this run on, you want to do an let's assume you want to play tough, like songs like, okay, nobody's great, nobody's great, nobody's greater than you. So now you want to run nobody's great. What did I tell you? This is do, which is F sharp. Pick a structure of where you want the melody to fall in. So if you want the melody to fall in, or so you can pick, so depending, I can play nobody's great. Okay, nobody's great. You understand? I can pick Nobody's great. I can. Okay, why did I choose this? Because this is a major seventh on this, on F sharp. So I can pick nobody's great. Nobody's great. So let's see some new kind of arpeggio pattern you could learn. We've touched this one, yes, and you also did this. So let's assume you're on F sharp now, and then you're on a major seven. Okay, you're on a major seven. You understand? So another thing again is I work with my two hands. You know, some people can work with that, but I love working with my two hands because I feel I'm faster doing it with my two hands. You understand? So it depends on what works for you. So I have different arpeggio patterns. So nobody's great, right? Nobody's great. This is now C sharp. You can run C sharp now as. You understand? Nobody's greater than you. Nobody's great. Nobody's great. Nobody's greater than you. You understand? So, this is we are done with A flat as 1. We are done with F sharp. We are done with C sharp. So let's see what we can do when you are playing songs like God in 3%. This is now a diminished seventh. You understand? So if you don't want to structure your arpeggio to fall on your diminished, you can also just fall down on F major because so you can. So now you are treating this arpeggio now as F major. So you have. If you want to treat it as a diminished seventh, where you have this chord, you can still do the run. For me, I most times want to add up a note before where I want to run it. So this is what I do. So I think we can use this structure for every key. So you have sol la do re mi. You can take it on the same on E. So you learn it gradually. You can take it on F. You understand? So, and there's one thing that is very common in gospel play, and that thing is not just taking the wrong, it's bringing it backward. So you have taking it. This is actually very simple. It's just taking it, then bringing it back. So you hear things like that. most times use this when you're trying to end the song, like when the song is. So I don't know. You can restructure your arpeggio patterns anyhow you want to, but just make sure that it's in the context of the play. You cannot have you cannot be playing on F sharp and you are playing on F sharp as it is. You're running a stupid arpeggio on a different key. No, no, it has to be patterned in that same line of the chord. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you all in my next lesson. Please drop a comment if this video has been of great help to you. God bless you.